Hey, what's going on, my J-Hen crew? And what's going on if it's your first time checking out my YouTube channel? I'm J-Hen here with J-Hen Traveling Life. If you're just checking out my channel for the first time, you might want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on what we got going on over here on the channel. But right now, today, I'm just going to be doing some unboxings in this video. Some stuff I ordered. Everything that I actually ordered, I'll be leaving links for it, hopefully, down in the descriptions below, you guys. So just doing some unboxings here. It's kind of cold outside. It's the evening before daylight savings time. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. I don't know what this is. Dang, is this what I ordered? I don't think this is what I ordered. Oh, okay. So yeah, this right here, so is packaged in some real nice packaging here, real nice envelope. I can't even see how to open it. Oh, okay. This one takes some work and it's clean. I like the packaging, real nice packaging, bubble wrapped. These were bubble wrapped as well. So let's see. Ooh, what do I have? Forever Southern Royalty. So they got an IG channel, an IG, a Facebook, Etsy shop. This is where I got this from, Etsy. So I'll leave this link on the bottom, and just another piece of watch band. A band for my watch with the Phi Beta Sigma. Got the one side, got the Phi Beta Sigma clamps right there. Then the other side got the 1914s. Yeah, so got the Phi Beta Sigma right there on one side with the clamps, and then on this side has the 1914. So Phi Beta Sigma. We'll be adding this on to my watch. Okay. Nice blue and white packaging. Ah, perfect for it to come in a blue packaging because it's a masks that I ordered, you know. Still got times where you might have to throw a mask on nowadays, so I wanted to grab me a mask. Oops, upside down. Got me a nice Phi Beta Sigma mask here, and it has spots where you could put your own, looks like your own filters on the inside. So it's that nice. Oh, and it's nice, it's comfortable. It's very nice, comfortable, doesn't hurt around the ears at all, and it's adjustable. This is very nice. I like the material that it's made out of. I'll be using this because y'all know I travel on this channel too, so be sure again to check me out and check out some more of my videos. And I think we're down to the last thing we opening here. And I'm cold, y'all. I don't know why. Well, I know why, because I'm in Vegas and used to this Vegas weather, Vegas living. Okay, they gave me an actual invoice with this. Brothers and sisters. Gave me a card with it. And this is like a chain here I got. My hands is cold, y'all.